Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations. We're laughing because we just looked at the date.
Hi, I'm Sherry, her daughter.
We just looked at the date on the box. Actually, Sherry looked at the date on the box.
It says April.
So behind. Okay.
Last year, 2025.
Yes. What is in the box? Flower Power Kit.
No.
It includes 6 1/4 fabric and pattern, mini project kit, which includes the mini charm pack 18-inch square fabric hexagons, Garden of Sunshine mystery quilt pattern number 3, row 3, excuse me, sewing machine needles, tailor's chalk pencil, can't have enough needles, can't have enough chalk, and a cute little keychain kit.
What do you want?
I'm pulling this out right here. Let's see
All
what
right.
is it. A quilty dangler. Look at this. Let's take it out of the package and take a peek. And this just made me think,
Oh.
if any of you are into, here's your little,
Doodads and
the kits to make it.
bits
Here's
and
your
bobs.
cotton, and then your color. And the cotton made me think of the Bannon bowls that you put your sourdough bread in.
Oh.
That's, yeah.
That's
If you've
not
looked
what I
at it, of course, it's not like this. That's a little bitty piece of cotton. Their circumference is teeny weeny, but those Bannon bowls, I want to think they're probably about as big as your ring finger. And I haven't seen any rope that size. What you got there?
Okay, we have a tailor's
Marker?
marker.
Yeah, you mark it.
Just click to stay sharp.
And then
Easily erased.
Mm-hmm.
No gritty residue.
Yep. That's a good brand, too.
Oh, what's the brand? Sew Line.
Taylor. I was trying to think if I had one over here. Now we have dogs underfoot. So.
Well, your dog under your foot. My dog is too busy sniffing everything.
Look at us looking at the box.
I know, but since we've already seen it, okay, well, there you go, because, I just did something that's huge.
Jimberg's Bee Garden Mini Charm Quilt Block, and here's all the stuff in it.
Ooh, I like that. Look at that.
It's gonna look like that.
Oh, that's so
It's
pretty.
got all the little pieces, and boy, are they little pieces. Oh my gosh.
My poor eyeballs.
Well, I'm thinking my poor fingers.
Well, I thought of that first, but it was like, I'll have to wear my glasses because I won't be able to see it because it's so tiny.
Here's your little paper.
But it's so cute.
Here's your paper.
A Bee Garden Mini Charm Quilt Block. I like it.
Look at your cute little fabric. I bet you.
Why'd you wait so long to open it?
You were so funny.
I know.
And then some black. Well, it's not really black. It's just not a dark black. Does that make any sense?
It's a
charcoal black.
There you go.
And a cream color. There we go. And it becomes 14 by 14, which is a good size. You can put them on
bigger than a ruler. Yeah.
Yep. And you can put them on one of those little hanging. The things that you hang.
I don't have one of those things.
I know, I have
but
one out at work.
I know you have one. Yeah.
Yeah, I have it at work to display for patients.
And did you put one on there for St. Patty's Day?
I have one on there that has a shamrock on it right now.
Oh, very good, very good.
Okay, what's the cookie? I see food.
I've been in there almost a year. I don't think you should be eating it.
Well, they got it pretty well sealed.
Uh-huh. What was it?
Oh, yeah, it's still soft. Look at that. I put my thumbnail on finishing it. Stephanie Brews, the Country Pauper. I did. It is still soft. So, I'm telling you what, that's pretty good. Yes, don't shake your head. No, look. It looks like it's a oil covered. I can't because it's vanilla. It's white chocolate. But see where I put my little fingernail right there? Yeah. That says it's still soft. What have we got?
I'm adventurous, but I don't know how adventurous I am. No.
Okay. And here is our universal needles, which are size 12 or 80, whichever you go by.
What's the difference?
80 is the U.S. and 12 is the other.
What's the other?
I can't think of what the other is. My peeps will tell me. I can't remember. Is it just everywhere else?
Is it Canada? Is it
It's everywhere but in the United States. So, yeah,
Oh.
they've got a different... It's sort of like the
I
metric versus
knew
the
you were going to
inches.
say that.
You knew?
Metric. You know the butler off the show, The Nanny?
No.
Oh.
I can't recall who he is.
Ugh.
Here's our bee blocks.
Well, this won't have any effect on you then. But maybe the viewers would like a little tidbit.
Oh, well, wait a minute. Before you go on, this little thing right here, that little quilty. Oh, my gosh. The pieces to the quilty dangler, I didn't even show you the pattern.
Because the pattern was
There's
at
the
the bottom
pattern.
of the box.
Yeah, look at that. And you see that little thing?
No,
gonna tell
I
you.
don't.
Okay. Now, we're going to use the rope, you know, when you like when you make a rope bow. But that little round circle with the little bump on the top like that, without the little bump, just the circle, I crocheted one of them to make a Santa head. Do you remember it? To put on the Christmas tree?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. I just freehanded it. I saw one, I liked it, and I freehanded to make the circle to. And then you just sewed the little black eyes for the nose, that kind of thing. And put little white, the fabric that's pull it apart with the embroidery fabric to make the beard. Mm-hmm, to make the beard. Oh my gosh. Okay, what about the nanny's butler?
Let me help you.
And then we'll talk about the
Okay, he has a British accent.
Okay.
He's not really British. They said to enhance the role,
He needed to be British.
Use a British accent.
First off, I didn't even know nanny had a butler.
Yes, you did. He's the one that I want to pull out my phone.
Well, pull it out, because I don't remember it. I remember the guy that owns the house, she the nanny, the girl who's the child. Who's the butler?
You remember Miss?
Oh, I remember him. I remember who he
you.
is now. Yep, okay. He's played in other shows too, but yeah, I remember him now.
He's not
British.
Is it British, English accent, whatever you call it? But yeah, he has an American accent.
Okay. So am I showing everything? Are you showing the fabric? What are we doing?
Hey,
There we go.
go ahead.
Okay, so there is the beehive and the bees row. So that's what it is. And here's,
Look at that.
it's
This
showing
little
it to you.
jar.
Yeah.
It's
And
the
so,
honey pot.
so here is the bee block, or the blocks to make the little bee.
I like that.
And then the beehive block, which is right there. Okay, there you go.
Why a big question mark? What's the question mark for?
It's these blocks right here. We don't see them yet.
Okay, why? Why? don't
Because
we
they're coming in
see
the different boxes, honey. There'll be in other boxes. Going forward, those boxes stacked right there that I haven't opened yet.
I didn't say it. I
I-
wasn't gonna say it. So you probably already have those.
Yeah, they just haven't been shown yet. You can tell I haven't opened all the boxes because otherwise I would have put it in order. So it's out of order. That's okay.
What is the matter? You what?
And I have
I
been
don't have anything for you. No, I don't.
hiatus on
Yeah.
YouTube videos because Sherry has had issues in her apartment, so she's been with me, and she works nights and I work days, and I'm not going to come up here and make videos when the bedroom is right next door.
Just put my business out there.
Your business. It's not your fault. It's your apartment,
No,
not
it's
your
really
house.
not. No.
Okay, so don't worry about it.
The water affected the heat because I have
I don't know what you're trying to say, honey. It's not...
oil heat.
Oh, yeah. And which is steam.
There you go.
Steam heat, yes.
Without water,
Radiators.
there's no heat.
For all those that don't know, it's radiator heat.
Right. So I was cold and without water. So
Just set it up there so you can show this. And then we'll spread it
so
all
they
out.
finally got everything fixed, and then a pipe broke in the basement. Then they fixed the pipe. The folks came out, fixed the pipe. They were like, "Oops, we broke the other pipe to the street." Then they had to call somebody else to come fix that.
And they broke the neighbors. We just found out
And they
yesterday.
broke the neighbor's pipe next door because they dug up his yard and had to replace the whole thing going through the house. Oh, it was a mess.
Here's our fabric.
But the neighbor, the the good news was he has really good water pressure now, he said. I still can't use my shower, so I'm calling about that today. So
Okay,
I think
here we
that's
go.
everything. That's my whole business.
All right, there's good old Carol, whose last name I never can get it right.
Carol? If you stop moving the paper.
Thielen?
Thielen or Thelen?
See, there we go again. All right, so here is...
I mean, is it T and a Helen, or is it...
Flower Power, which I think is pretty.
I like the bees. I
You like the bees. But
Yes,
the
I did.
Flower Power is pretty also. Okay, let's look at that fabric. Just based on the color right here, it's really, really pretty.
You know,
Ooh.
my fuzzy eyesight and too close to my face, it looked like dragonflies.
Let me tell you what that is. Flip that back. That is the binding. That's what that says, binding.
I can read that.
I wasn't sure if you could see it. It was all blurry.
I thought you were going to say it's like gingham pattern or something.
No.
I was like, no, I don't think so. Anyway, so it does say binding on it. It's pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. It's yellow. Are you going to tell them what this one is?
It's the fabric to make the thing. It's just the different colors, that's all.
Okay, so you just had the one thing that was marked.
Right, yeah. These aren't marked. They need to be ironed, but they're not.
Well, you know, sitting in a box for a whole year.
Oh my gosh, I'm never going to hear the end of it.
No, you're not.
That's because I had internet issues. I just didn't want to put it out there.
Oh, but you're going to tell everybody about the house problem I had.
That's different than the dumb old internet. Oh gosh.
I have to say, though, whoever, it was either the city or the county or whoever, they gave me a case of water. So it was Deer Park, and it was 6 1-gallon containers that I have. So that was very, very nice. So, I mean, I had water, but it, you know, wasn't enough to take a shower or anything. But it was enough to cook, clean, that kind of stuff. So that was nice. I liked it. Gee whiz, that's a lot of this pattern.
That's the fact.
This is white on white. What's that called?
Little
That's not
flowers.
called white on white. What's it
Yeah,
called?
because it's got little flowers all over it.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I don't
Yep.
know if you're going to be able to see this, though. Maybe.
There, yep,
oh, there
you
it is.
can.
Okay,
Little
good.
flowers.
Because that's nice. I like that.
Okay, and we will
is
lay it
itty
all out
bitty.
here. Yeah,
Yes.
I like stuff like that. The little flowers.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to lay it out so everybody can take a look at it.
Yep.
Well, as I pan this layout here of what we got, Sherry's going to read off of the sheet from Creative Notions. Go ahead.
Okay, it says exciting updates for this month. This month, we're thrilled to unveil a beautiful new quilt created especially for you by Carol Thielen. These delightful flowers are sure to add a festive flair to your spring celebrations. Additionally, don't miss out on the charming mini quilt made with hexagons and the delightful mini charm packs from Moda, known as Bee Garden. It's the perfect season to admire the bees buzzing around your garden. Exciting updates from our Facebook group. Our Facebook group has been a delightful space lately, filled with all the stunning creations you've shared. We absolutely love witnessing your creativity, so please continue to share your work. We will keep showcasing your contributions in the group header for everyone to admire. And congratulations to our winners this month. Our project winner is Sharon Teft. Our participation winner is Maggie Shannon. And our scrap winner is Mary Lou Castaneda. I hope I pronounced that right. Our file section will keep expanding, featuring patterns from previous boxes that are available for download. It's always helpful to have a resource where you can easily find a pattern, especially if it gets misplaced.
Okay, I hope everybody liked this box. I really did. And the next box we'll do will be the June. And I also have, I believe, the August, is it? The August subscription box. Okay, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Welcome all my new subscribers. Got any questions or anything? By all means, give us a holler. Okay? Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, a like if you did, and we'll go from there. Next time. Bye. Okay, and then I had hand waving that wasn't supposed to be in the video. And don't forget to follow. Thank you. Bye-bye.